Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mistermezss kitchen. Today we are making homemade barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is good pretty much on everything. Chicken, rib, shrimp, and it's so easy to make. So if you're ready to learn how to make it, put on your seatbelt and let's step on the gas. Okay, for our easy barbecue sauce, we're gonna use 2.5 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of a light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Okay, so to start, we're going to combine all our ingredients in a medium saucepan. We're going to start with the ketchup, 2.5 cups. 1, 2.5. 1/4 cup of a light brown sugar. 1/2 cup vinegar, we're going to add our Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of molasses. Okay, for our second step, we're gonna come on the stove and turn on the fire on a medium heat and sit our medium saucepan on it. Okay, we're gonna give it a nice mix and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And 15 minutes later, our barbecue sauce is bubbling, so now it's time to add our black pepper. 1 teaspoon. Okay, so we'll give it a nice mix. And our barbecue sauce is all ready. Wow, this barbecue sauce tastes amazing. I pretty much try it on everything. On chicken wing, on shrimp, on fried fish, on pretty much everything. It was so excellent. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try. So we are ending our video. If you like my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So if you like it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and see you next time for a nice and fresh video. Peace!